As earthquakes shake in Haiti braces for Tropical Storm Grace, it remains crucial to respond as soon as possible to help people affected on the ground. That's where NGOs can play a critical, life-saving role. Joining us now from the capital of Haiti, Care.org Assistant Director for Haiti Programs, Muhamed Bizimana. Muhamed, welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
What are you seeing on the ground in your location, sir?
Yeah, on the ground, especially in the Grand Anse area, one of the mainly affected locality part of the country, we've seen massive devastations, being life lost or property destroyed or severely damaged.
What are the biggest concerns in the immediate hours and days ahead, sir?
At the moment, a couple of needs are emerging, especially shelter. As in the Grand Anse itself, almost 1,000 people have been reporting that their homes have been severely damaged, so at risk of being occupied. So these people need to be relocated and provided either temporary shelter or other locations where they can stay temporarily. And that one also will kind of bring in another level of need, especially in terms of food items and non-food items. The last one, as a rescue effort continue to find people who are still alive, they will still need also to continue focusing on COVID prevention. We don't need to forget that we are experiencing a COVID crisis. So that effort will need to continue simultaneously as we do respond to the current crisis.
We've got on the screen right now, for folks interested in learning more about how they can help, they can go to care.org. Unfortunately, Haiti has suffered numerous natural disasters in recent years. Give us some context. How big is this one in your view?
Yes, this particular earthquake, if we compare in terms of magnitude, might be more stronger than the one that happened back in 2010. Though this time this is localized in the southern part of the country, with less impact in the capital, one of the largely populated city. But as previous reporters and interviewee mentioned, we have been experiencing successive series of crises, one on top of the other, which doesn't make any relief effort more impactful. So there's quite of a continuous and really a rapid need for assistance at this point, so that we can quickly save life, especially in need of life-saving assistance. But at the same time, concurrently address this crisis along the other crises we are facing and the country is experiencing.
Muhamed Bizimana, our best to you, your team, and of course, the people of Haiti.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Brian Kilmeade. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to click to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page. This is the only way that I know for sure that you're not going to miss any great commentary, any great news bites, any great interviews coming your way on Fox. You can get it all here on YouTube. So subscribe right now.